Let's talk about keto diet recipes. I'll tell you some ideas how you can cook your food. I'll not actually cook and show you. I'll just tell you the ideas, the basic overview, how we eat in a keto diet. So, if you're someone who's trying to lose weight and have thought of following the keto diet, so this video is just for you. Okay, so let's go. The first one is bulletproof coffee. You can use it as a breakfast replacement. Okay, so basically in keto diet, what we do is we select a eating window, either of a 6 hour window or a 8 hour window. Okay, so most people follow a 6 hour window of 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so in the breakfast they have bulletproof coffee. Okay, it's not considered as a meal, so you can use it as a breakfast replacement. Okay, so it will curb your hunger till 2 p.m. So then you can have your first big meal at 2 p.m., then another at 8 p.m. So bulletproof coffee allows you to get to that point, 2 p.m. Some people find it very hard, just a 6 hour eating window. So they what you can do is you can just create a 8 hour eating window in the starting for you, like 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. You can have 2 to 3 meals. It depends on your hunger levels. Okay, so one at 12 p.m., one at around 5, and last one at 8. So the people who find it very hard to follow a 6 hour eating window in the starting can obviously make it an 8 hour eating window. And bulletproof coffee is just a breakfast replacement. And what it does, it puts you into fat burning mode. It puts you into ketosis. Okay, what ketosis is? Ketosis is basically the process of fat burning when your body is running on ketones. Ketones is the energy coming from fats. Okay, so when you drink bulletproof coffee, your body goes into fat burning mode, which is called ketosis. Okay, and the reason why this happens is there is something called as MCT oil in bulletproof coffee. We put 1 tablespoon of that, teaspoon. So okay, let's jump to the second meal. Okay, the meals I'm gonna tell you are very simple. Okay, just for the sake of simplicity, because I know many people who don't like to cook, and they are very busy and their lifestyle has not much free time for cooking. And even I am a person who doesn't like to cook, to be honest, so I make simple meals and they work. So if you're a person who likes to cook, you can do some experiments with these things by using keto foods only. So yeah, the second meal that we'll talk about is 4 whole eggs plus a little broccoli. You can make an omelette. Okay, and cook some broccoli along with it and take it as a meal. Add spices. You can add any spices. There is nothing like you can't add this or that. You can add any spices that you want. Okay, so let's talk about the third one. It's paneer plus spinach. Okay, so it's also called palak paneer in India, and I'm also from India. You can tell by the way I speak, because English is not my first language. Okay, so yeah, so this is a very good option for veg people, this meal, because paneer is basically cottage cheese and spinach is spinach, of course. So with every meal you have to see that you add some vegetable along with a protein source. Okay, all these protein sources have some good fats already in it. You can see whole eggs have good fats as egg yolk. Okay, paneer has good fats. Okay, also it has protein. So we always need a vegetable source with it. Okay, because if you just eat all these things, eggs, chicken, paneer, mutton, so you'll just end up with a very acidic body. Okay, So we don't want a very acidic body. It puts pressure on your liver and kidneys. So we always want vegetables with it. Okay. So yeah, this is the meal, paneer plus spinach. You can cook all of these meals in ghee, desi ghee. You can cook them in coconut oil. Okay, just make sure it's keto friendly. And the fourth meal is chicken plus cauliflower. As simple as it sounds. Cook some chicken, put in some cauliflower along with it, let it cook, add spices, whatever you want. You can add your own flavors, no big issue. So next one is mutton plus turnip. Mutton is goat meat for the people who don't know what mutton is. Okay, goat meat. And turnip is, we call it shalgam in India, in Hindi. Okay. So yeah, just cook it, put some turnip in it. Normal cooking style, nothing special. So pretty simple. So this video is just an overview how you eat in a keto diet. Okay, simple and easy meals, nothing else. Sixth one is mushrooms plus cottage cheese. This is also a great option again for vegetarian people. So keto diet becomes a little difficult for vegetarian people because the options are a little less when you're following keto and you're veg. Then you have to add foods like tofu, which are not very very good. Okay, but yeah, you have to use what you have. So no issues, no excuses basically. So yeah, mushrooms plus cottage cheese, I've tried it personally, it is great. Also another tip for vegetarian people, you should add peanut butter and almond butter in your diet. Okay, it will give you some more variety. So yeah, like use it however you want. Okay, just consume it in any way. So the seventh one is kale and spinach smoothie. So some people are very, let's say, they don't like vegetables, they don't like eating vegetables, they don't like cooking vegetables. They just like all these things, eggs, paneer, chicken, mutton and stuff like that. So, but vegetables are important, okay? We can't just ignore them. As I said, that if you eat only this chicken, paneer and everything, you'll be acidic, okay? You might, have some acne issues, then you'll feel very hot in the body because you're not eating anything alkaline. Okay, so there is a balance of hot and cold. Okay, so all these things, eggs, paneer, chicken, they make you hot. Okay, they produce acid inside when it's getting digested. So we need something to counter that. That's why we use vegetables. And also vegetables give you a lot of vitamin C. Okay, and you get electrolytes. Most of the electrolytes you get from vegetables. And this particular smoothie, kale and spinach smoothie, is very good for electrolytes. It will give you a lots of potassium and magnesium. A quick tip, you can also add celery in this smoothie. It will also reduce your stress levels. You can sleep much better. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it for this video. There's nothing more. Okay, this was a simple video just to tell how you can make your meals. Okay, so to be honest, I'm not a very much of a chef myself. I make very simple meals that just work for me. So if you are that chef kind of person, you can make some customization and adjustment according to you. So yeah, that's basically it. You should follow me on Insta. You can see on the top left @Keto Fitness Official. I'll be uploading the same video on YouTube and also IGTV videos. Okay, because some people just like Insta, some like YouTube. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give me ideas. Okay, comment down what do you want to see, what do you want me to talk about, and I'll just talk about the topics that you want because That's why I'm here. Okay, anything about keto diet, anything about weight loss, or any health issues, so I'm here for it. Okay, then thank you guys. See you later. Okay, bye.